Find the derivatives of the following functions. A. ln 5x to the 4. B. x squared e to the x. A. Let y be equal to ln of 5x to the 4. And what we want to do is differentiate that, and we'll get dy on dx. And we'll need to use the chain rule because I have a function inside a function here. So what I need to do is pretend that the function in the middle is actually just x. So ln of x, the derivative of that would just be 1 on x. So I have 1 on that box, like that. But it's not a red box or an x, it's actually 5x to the 4, isn't it? So it's really 5x to the 4. And the chain rule says that I need to multiply by the derivative of that. So I need to multiply by the derivative of 5x to the 4. So the 5 is a constant multiplied on, I keep it, times by the current power, reduced power by 1. And that's my answer there. And now I just want to simplify it a little. That would be like that. X cubed would cancel with most of the x to the 4 and leave an x. And so that gives me 4 on x. Now for part B. Let y be equal to x squared e to the x. Well, this time it's not the chain rule. I've got two things multiplied together, so that would be the product rule. So dy on dx would be the derivative of the first. So the derivative of x squared would be 2x times the second, so times by e to the x, plus the first one not differentiated, so x squared, times the derivative of the second. So the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x again. And so if we put e to the x out, we'll get 2x plus x squared in there. And that's the end of the problem.